Happy morning to all. Wishing you all most and more. In this video, we are going to see about the types of friction. There are three different types of friction. So, the types of friction includes static friction, sliding friction, and rolling friction. Let us see about them now. So, what is friction? Friction is a force measured in newtons, just like any other force. So, static friction. Static friction keeps an object at rest from moving. The sliding friction. The sliding friction is a force that resists the motion of an object moving across the surface. So, what is rolling friction? Rolling friction is a friction exerted from the object rolls over the surface. So now let us see about sliding friction at first. Sliding friction is a force that opposes the motion of two surfaces sliding past against each other. Sliding friction is caused by microwheels constantly breaking and then forming again as a box slides along the floor. To keep the box moving, you must continuously apply the force to overcome sliding friction. Now let us see about rolling friction. The friction between the rolling tires and the ground is called as a rolling friction. The rolling friction works partly because of microwheels. The rolling friction is much less friction than static or sliding friction. That's why it's easier to use a dolly than pushing your little brother in the box. So what's about static friction then? Static friction is a friction between two surfaces that are not moving past against each other. In this case, your push is not large enough to break the microwheels and the box remains stuck on the floor. Okay friends, I hope that you would have understood about the topic very clearly. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. And if you have any doubts, any queries, please mention it in the comments below. See you all in another video. Tata.